Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time the second round of the Microsoft Excel World Championship South Africa chapter. Um, this round went quite well for me. I think I got on the third place or something, so quite well. I never solved it 100%, but here I will now solve the remaining parts, so to say. And I was only like 4 seconds shy of getting bonus E. So yeah, could have been even better. But anyways, so we have here an ingredients list. I will create from selection, and then we can start ingredients prices. Prices in ZAR. Okay, so XLOOKUP for this in ingredient returning cost in ZAR. South African rand, dann price per gram. So these are all in different units. So we have here gram, each kilogram, milliliter, and liter. And now I convert it to the convert the costs to the smallest unit, so to say. So if it's kilogram, then convert it in gram, and if it's liter, then convert it in milliliter. So uh, 1,000, 1,000. I know, yeah, they're returning this. And now multiplying and dividing this. And we get there something per gram. So here, this is per gram. Where's liter? Here, milliliter is per milliliter, and here liter is per 5 liter, 22. So this divided by 5,000. Here it's small. Okay. So now name this CU and XLOOKUP this in ingredient returning CU cost per unit. It's wrong because we need to round 2 decimals. I will not round the table because you never know later if yeah, you need unrounded intermediate results. Okay. Using the conversion table below, calculate the volume of the following in milliliters. Millimeters. Millimeter? Milliliter. um, Here we have a small problem because we have also 1/3 and a half, and this isn't done in Excel, so 0.5. So this would be 0.5, 143.25 to 1.5. And yeah, sometimes it's faster to do something like this instead of making it in a let formula. And here I'm currently tending more to do like a quick and dirty solution instead of doing something over advanced. It might be that you sometimes are faster with doing this. So XLOOKUP leader in here, returning the value, multiplied with XLOOKUP the quantity item in here, returning this. And should be fine. Yes, it is fine. Ingredients costs. And we have a unit, then something the first an number, then a unit, and then the cost. So text before then text between, but I do it and then text after. So this is a text between and then text after the second delimiter. And then track this down and use the formula from above. We'll get an error here, I know. First the lookup of this and then lookup of this. Multiplied with xlookup of the ingredient in the ingredients list, and since we have our cost per unit, we can multiply to it. Still an error. Let's find out why. Okay, this is working. Then the second one is not working. So 2 should be minus. That's the problem. Okay, so I need here an if error minus, because this is then a text and not a number, but we want text for those special characters. And then we need to round, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, of course, because I've not included the lookup for here in ingredient returning CU. Okay, if error 20 milliliter full cream milk and fresh cream. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's returning something. Is milliliter should be there. 100 is not there, of course. Mm, haystack. Haystack. Okay, 0.512, 152, 1.5, 20, 100. I might need to adjust both. Yeah. Adjust the first one and adjust this here. Okay, now it should work for everything. Done. Ingredients in recipe. Which recipe dish contains exactly the following ingredients? Okay. I have a small problem, so to say, here. So we have all those recipes on different kind of sheets. In my live attempt, I copied everything. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I should do this ugly method or if I should use something I've learned today or yesterday, which is called 3D reference. So milk tart this divided by, I don't know if it's working that way. No. How was this done? Let me quickly check. Tips and tricks. Yeah, of course. It was something like first the number. Okay. Could be interesting if this will work. And then we need to E stack, no V stack. Let's find out, and then no. Oh, this will work. Okay, interesting. And now I need to see 19, 24. 24 is the thing that is the lowest, so to say. And now I have it from every sheet. But I now need to know from which sheet it is. So yeah. Cell sheet name or something. There was something. No. Okay. I make it like this and copy this then aside. This will not take as long as copying everything in, and then I will adjust my 3D reference to column A as well, and then I know from which ingredients, from which recipe it is. And I have to admit, it's a super well themed, um, ah, a super well themed case. So with all these pictures and stuff, I'm wondering if some AI was involved in creating this, or if it's done from a normal recipe book. Mm. And the last one. And in my live attempt, I haven't done it that sophisticated. I've simply copied everything and was fast enough. So I've had a formula. Yeah. Okay, we have a few yeah, gaps in there, but XLOOKUP for this in here and here and here and here, returning the recipe. Yeah, an A, because first I think I need to include spaces. Ah, and still again, because cup of water. Yeah, because I think I should not include the last one, and only when it cannot found the item, like here. Okay, so yeah. And then I could do like, if not found, then use and this here. And this should then work for everything. Next to everything. Yeah, because it could also be that here this is okay, so let's try something. Yeah, it will concat, it will have the 0. So let v, if v equals nothing, then nothing, otherwise v. Yeah, now we don't have spaces. And then I will use this xlookup. And here I will substitute two spaces against nothing, so every against one space. So every double space will be eliminated. Okay, that was the I tried at least. 1 cup of water. One cup water. Hmm. Okay, why was this? Okay, so okay, let's try. Okay, we still have a few errors. 2 carrots created. So here substitute. Yeah. Okay, next to everything. 3 cardamom pods. Hmm. Okay, let's do this manually. Bay leaves. But it was 3. Here, Booty. Okay. Last level cost per recipe. 1 milliliter is 1 gram. Round your final answer to 2 decimals. So track this somewhere aside and use filter to is number, search, where is it? Find this, no, inside here. Okay, that wasn't good. Ah. No. Okay. It will not work if I'm doing this here. Yeah. Normally those should adjust if I'm tracking this somewhere else. Interesting. Okay. Then I need to look here. Filter is number, search for the according recipe in here. Then we have everything we need there. I think this is not necessary, so I want to drop the first column and I want to drop the last column, and then I use my formula up there. Oh no, we do it differently. Unique of this table here. Okay. 1, 2, 0.5, 0.25, 3, 500. What is this? Ah, space. 500, 20, 10, 84, 250, 100. Let's see. Let's look up, take the first column in here, returning this, multiplied with xlookup, the no choose calls, the second column in, where is it? Measures, returning this, multiplied with xlookup, take the last column in ingredient, returning CU. Okay, not working. Question is, what is not working? This is working. This is kind of working. Question is, what is then not working? Because it's nothing. Nothing is 1. So if not found 1, may use it here. If not found 1, and then take d minus 1. I've dropped there something. I should drop. Oh, that was the error. Okay, and then we have 5385, some round and put it in here. Reference error. Okay. Yeah. FNF4, FNF4, FNF4. Everything else is fixed. Now it should work. Let's find out if, oh, everything is working on the right. Okay. Bonus questions. Which recipe is the fastest to prepare? I simply switched 40 is the minimum, 25 minutes. Okay, 25 is the lowest. Copy the sheet name. Done. Which ingredient is the most expensive per gram? Max lookup in CU, returning ingredient. Oh, in grams and kilograms. Okay, yeah, that was, I think in the live attempt I've filtered there, so filter A stack ingredient and CU, and filter is number search program in here. Max lookup pepper. I think I had pepper in my life attempt. Which ingredients is used most by these dishes? So let's go to our table and use group by, not most of, to show you this. I could have used my most of lambda, but anyways, count A -2. It's salt. Most expensive recipe to make. Mm, okay. I need to check this a little bit. Unique of the recipes. And then I simply copy down the formula and use a max lookup. And it's nothing. Great. It's Bregnani. Most expensive ingredient in malva pudding. Cost based on quantity and volume used in the recipe. Hmm. Okay, I use this formula here. Then I do it for malva pudding. And then use an max lookup, returning the last. So take the last column. And it's cream. Could this be? 4 cups of cream. Might be. And that's right. Okay, 1250 and you have there's an error. Ah, yeah, of course. But yeah, interesting case. First using 3D references. From my side, I did it a little bit dirtier in my initial live attempt, but yeah, cool case. And yeah, thank you that you were with me, and I hope to see you next time on my channel. Bye.